Welcome to Crack GATE CS. Score 70 plus like a pro. Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're aiming to not just crack the GATE CS exam, but to absolutely ace it with a score of 70 or above, you're in the right place. We know this journey can seem daunting, almost like climbing a mountain, right? But just like a mountain climber needs the right gear and a solid plan, you too need the right strategies and a focused approach to conquer GATE CS. In this video, we're going to break down this challenging exam into manageable steps. We'll equip you with the knowledge, tools, and confidence to approach each subject, each question, and ultimately, the entire exam strategically. Remember, it's not just about hard work, it's about working smart. So whether you're just starting your GATE CS preparation or are looking for that extra edge to boost your score, stick with us. Let's embark on this journey together and make those 70+ marks a reality. Think of the GATE CS syllabus as the blueprint to your success. It outlines everything you need to know, every concept you need to master. Don't just glance at it, really dive in. Break it down into subjects, topics, and subtopics. Understanding the syllabus inside and out will help you prioritize your studies, allocate your time effectively, and ensure you're not missing any crucial areas. Now that you know what to study, let's figure out how to study. A well-structured study plan is like your personalized roadmap to success. Consider your strengths and weaknesses. Allocate more time to challenging topics while ensuring you revise the ones you're comfortable with. Don't forget to incorporate regular breaks and time for revision. Consistency is key. Chapter 3. Mastering GATE CS, the power of past papers. Want to know the best way to familiarize yourself with the GATE CS exam pattern and difficulty level? Practice, practice, practice with previous year's question papers. This isn't just about memorizing answers. It's about understanding the types of questions asked, identifying recurring patterns, and refining your problem-solving approach. As you solve more papers, you'll gain confidence and improve your time management skills, which are crucial for exam day. Chapter 4. Mock Tests. Your GATE CS simulator for success. Think of mock tests as your flight simulator before the actual journey. They provide a real exam-like environment, helping you get accustomed to the pressure and time constraints. Regularly taking mock tests allows you to track your progress, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and fine-tune your exam-taking strategies. Analyze your performance after each mock test, focusing on areas where you can improve. Chapter 5. The final sprint, revision and time management. As we approach the final phase of your GATE CS preparation, revision is key. Don't try to cram everything at the last minute. Instead, focus on consolidating what you've already learned. Review your notes, practice important concepts, and work on your weaker areas. Remember, effective time management is crucial during this period. Create a realistic revision schedule and stick to it. Outro, you've got this. Best of luck for GATE CS. As we wrap up this video, remember that success in GATE CS comes from consistent effort, strategic planning, and unwavering self-belief. You have all the tools and knowledge you need to excel. Stay focused, stay motivated, and trust in your abilities. We wish you the very best for your GATE CS exam. Go out there and make us proud. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more educational content. We're here to support you every step of the way.